Hey guys, it's Victor here for KLGadgetTV, and I have in my hands arguably one of the most powerful phones of 2019. This is the ASUS ROG Phone 2, and we are going to unbox it. Okay, so right off the bat, you see a pretty familiar looking box here, so let's just go ahead and open it. There's nothing else inside here, so let's put this aside. Now looking at it, you get one box, presumably with all your manuals. The phone itself is here. And at the bottom, let's try not to drop anything. And this is the Aero Active Cooler tool. We'll get to that in a bit. And here you have it, if I can. So this is the ROG Phone 2. We will talk about this later. Let's get sorted with the boxes first. See what's inside this little accessory box. Opens up like so. And this is the new case. It's designed this way to allow for you to attach all the different kinds of accessories. We'll show you that later if we can. Inside you'll see more ROG words, logos and emblems inside, which looks pretty cool. It provides protection to the side bumpers and as well as at the bottom. Let's see what else is inside the accessory box. Manuals and SIM ejector, standard. Let's see what else is inside here. Okay, so this is the USB Type-C charging cable, and this is your 30-watt fast charger. You've got more accessories. Powered by Android, Republic Gamers. There you go. Powered by DTX audio. There you go. That's your boot up sound. Seems a little unnecessary. Alright, so we are in the home screen. Alright, so let's get started. The ROG Phone 2 has a 6.59-inch Full HD AMOLED display that pushes 120Hz refresh rate. The display also supports HDR10, which gives you a fuller gamut of colors, and judging from where I'm sitting, this looks really bright and sharp. So gaming and a video viewing experience is going to be great. Okay, moving to the back, we see a pretty familiar design. You get the same Corning Gorilla Glass back with curved edges towards the sides, and this is the glossy black. This is the ROG Phone 2 Elite. There is the Ultimate Edition which gives you more internal storage. That one comes with matte black, so this one is a fingerprint magnet. I'm assuming the matte one doesn't attract fingerprints as much. Now, if you look at the camera module, it's got a 48MP main lens and a 13MP ultra wide lens. It's got your flashlight here, but pretty standard affair as well. Now, moving to the sides, we see the volume rockers and power button. Now, it may look like it's really thick, but when you hold it in the hands, it actually feels quite nice. And moving to the bottom, you get the off-center USB-C port plus a 3.5mm headphone jack. Thank God. And towards this side, this is the connector. When you connect it to one of your accessories, the double display accessory, this will also keep your phone charged. Alright, so let's get to the fun part. Specs. The ROG Phone 2 comes with a Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset, arguably the most powerful one around. Malaysian versions of the ROG Phone 2 will come with 12GB of RAM as standard, and the ROG Phone 2 Elite, which is this one, comes with 512GB of internal storage. The Elite version, which will have the matte finish at the back, will come with 1TB of internal storage. So pretty much massive right there. Powering the device is also a massive 6000 mAh battery, which explains the thickness and the size of the phone. And it supports up to 30 watts fast charging. I also need to mention that the ROG Phone 2 comes with Android 9 Pie and it's running on ROG UI. Okay, so when you get the ROG Phone 2, it also comes with the Aero Active Cooler 2. This is the upgraded version of the old one. Now I'm going to try and attach it. It attaches via the connector here, so you just plug it in. And this is how it looks like. The fan is right in the middle. It keeps your phone cool while you're gaming. What also comes in the box when you get the ROG Phone 2 is a new case. Now it's designed like so to fit accessories. Now I'm going to try and put it on now. And this is how it looks like at the back. Now it's designed like so you can fit the aforementioned cooler. So you just plug it in from the side. There you go. Alright, so that's the unboxing of the ASUS ROG Phone 2. At the time of recording, we don't know the price yet, but do check back with the description box below where we'll update the price. And that's it from me. This is Victor signing off. Bye-bye.